Jai Hind friends. Today we'll discuss about Territorial Army. What is Territorial Army? What are the selection procedures for the Territorial Army? Term and condition of Territorial Army. What are the eligibility of Territorial Army? Qualification for that. So we'll discuss whole things in this video. But before starting the video, please do subscribe and like my channel. So what is Territorial Army? The Indian Territorial Army is the second life of leaving defense after the regular Indian Army, and provides the excellent opportunity for employed young man to join the Indian Army and earn the glorious uniform. And it is also helpful for one to fulfill his dream of becoming an officer and joining Indian Army. In short, it provides you an adventurous life with your regular job. The best part of the TA is you will serve nation in both ways, as civilian and as a soldier. And for this, you need not lose your primary profession, let it be MNC job or government job or your own business. So the next thing, what is the eligibility for TA? Any male and female citizen of India and ex-serving officer who are medically fit and their age is between 18 to 42 years, they can join the Territorial Army. So what is the qualification? The education qualification is graduate from any recognized university, and the employment in any central government, semi-government or own business or self-employed, they can apply for the Territorial Army. But there is a one thing, serving employees of police, paramilitary forces are not eligible for this. So please do mind it in this. What are the term and condition of TA? Like regular entries, TA grant you a commission rank of lieutenant, pay and allowances are same, promotion up to lieutenant colonel by time scale subject to fulfilling laid down criterias, promotion to colonel and brigadier by selection. So what is the selection process of Territorial Army? For the civilian candidates, candidate whose application form are found correct after scrutinizing will be called for screening by a preliminary interview board at their respective TA group headquarters. Candidates selected by PIB should provide brief biodata to include details about their employment with monthly income from all sources at the time of documentation immediately after PIB. Successful candidate will further undergo SSB and medical board for final selection. So what are the test syllabus? So the test syllabus are short essay type, objective type question and general awareness, including issues related to political or economical affairs, international situation and sports. So the next thing is for ex-serving officer. So the ex-serving officer of 3 services as a candidate should send their application along with the enclosure as mentioned in application form to Additional Director General TA, Integrated Headquarters of MOD Army, New Delhi 01. The candidates are screened by a Army Headquarters Selection Board held at Additional Director General TA, Army Headquarters, New Delhi, which is followed by a medical board for successful candidates. So what are the training duration and what are the training period for TA? So now 1 month basic training in the first year of commission, thereafter 2 months annual training camps every year including the first year, thereafter 3 months post commission training within the first 2 years at IMA Dehradun. So the next thing is how to apply for TA. The notification comes twice in a year, January and May, but in January only serving candidate can apply, and in the month of May or June, whenever it comes, the civilian can apply, and the exam will conducted by July 3rd week. So these are the detail of the Territorial Army. So please do like and subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching it. Thank you so much.